this is how you can exit from WhatsApp community. So if you go to your WhatsApp and open your app, and you have to go to this community section. From here, what you have to do is you will see the list of all the community that you have joined. Now to exit, what you have to do is first of all go to the community that you want to exit. So this community is the one that I want to exit. So now all I have to do is tap on three dot on top right corner and tap on more, and here is the option exit community, exit, and here is you also leave groups in this community, meaning you will leave all the other group that this community has. So all you have to do is exit and delete for me if you want, or you just want to exit community. I choose exit and delete for. This is how you exit community on WhatsApp, or this is how you exit WhatsApp community.